Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry steak. First, select a tender cut of beef, such as flank or sirloin, for optimal results. Slice the steak against the grain into thin, uniform strips, ideally about 1/4 inch thick. This technique helps ensure the meat remains tender. Next, marinate your steak for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for infusing flavor and further tenderizing the beef before cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Once shimmering, add your marinated steak in small batches. Cook each batch for just 1 to 2 minutes until beautifully browned. It's important not to overcrowd the pan. This allows the steak to sear properly, developing a delicious crust rather than steaming, which can make it tough. With your steak seared and set aside, it's time for the vegetables. Add a little more oil to your hot pan if needed, then toss in your favorite stir-fry vegetables. For crispier options like bell peppers, broccoli, or carrots, stir-fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Softer vegetables like mushrooms or spinach will cook much faster, often in just 1 or 2 minutes, so add them later. Finally, let's bring it all together for a delicious meal. Return your perfectly seared steak to the pan with the vibrant, stir-fried vegetables. Now, pour in your pre-made stir-fry sauce, ensuring everything is thoroughly coated. Continue to cook for just 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to heat through and thicken slightly. Serve your homemade stir-fry steak immediately over rice or noodles for a complete and satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.